Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am ranking 19 different products from NYX. NYX is just my favorite drugstore brand, and because of that I do have a bunch of products. I am always testing products from NYX, so I thought it is time to do an updated version of this. So let's start from the bottom, and I have in here my least favorite product, which is still a decent product overall. It's just the NYX Epic Wear liner sticks. I have two shades. They are just not impressing me. I will not repurchase them after I'm finishing them. They are just okay. They are pigmented. You can create beautiful lines with them, but for the waterline they are not staying the longest, and they are not the most pigmented shades, and I'm talking mostly about the pink because the black it is pigmented but is not staying the best. So they are okay, not my favorite. Then I have the Ultimate Eye Paints, and these are nice eye paints. They are just not products that I usually use that often or that I enjoy that much, but they are nice and they are pigmented and they are not creasing. And similar to that, it is the Vivid Bright Liner. I have it in the shade Sneaky Pink. It is beautiful. They updated this formula and it is nice. You can create a wing. It's beautiful, pigmented, and it's not cracking like the other previous version. It's nice, but again, not a favorite product from the brand and not something that I will recommend you to run and buy. It's just a decent product. A product that I absolutely love, but I'm putting it right here, not because it's not excellent, just because it's just a glitter primer. And this one is the best, so I am always repurchasing it, but in the grand scheme of things, it's not the most exciting product from NYX. In the next spot, I'm actually putting the Soft Matte Lip Creams, which is very interesting because at some point this was the most hyped product from NYX, and they are still good. Don't get me wrong, they are still amazing products, and this formula is still keeping up, but they are just a bit older. I feel like the newer formulas are just more interesting and better. So because of that, I'm putting them right here. But if you are asking me, these are better than the new ABH lip velvets. This is a lip velvet. This is something that you want on your lips. It's matte, but soft and blurring. Look at it. I'm wearing this shade. It is the shade Abu Dhabi. It looks 10 out of 10. Then I have the HT Finishing Powder. This is a really good powder overall. It's just, again, in the grand scheme of things, it's not the most exciting product. It is good. I did repurchase it. It is my second one. I had a mini previously, and you really don't need to splurge on a high-end powder. You can use something like this, and it is really, really great. Next, I have the Blur Foundation. This is not my absolute favorite foundation from them, but it's the only one that I own right now in my collection. This one I need to prep my skin perfectly, otherwise it will look a bit dry, a bit cakey. But if I'm prepping my skin perfectly, it looks incredible. Blurring and velvety on the skin, and it's wearing great. I need to babysit it a bit. That's the reason it's kind of in the middle of the ranking. Next, we have the Sweet Cheeks Blush Powder formula. I do enjoy this one. It is a good formula, but it is discontinued, so I am waiting for them to release something else for the cheeks. Then I have the Plump Right Back Primer. NYX is doing really good primers overall, but I just prefer my Essence one. So because of that, I don't have any primers on the top spot, but this Plump Right Back is really nice. It is a better version of the e.l.f. The sticky one, the Hydro Grip, or how is the name? The grippy one. This one is just better in my opinion because it is gripping a bit, but at the same time is hydrating. Next, I have a random product. It is the cheek palette in Greetings from Barbieland. This is discontinued as well, but it is very small, compact, a beautiful color. It's not the best packaging, of course, but it is decent, and I like that it is compact. It has two blushes, and this highlighter in the middle is a bit glittery, but because the base is clear, you can just create your perfect blush in here. I really like this one. It's very nice, and I hope NYX will do something for the cheeks. Then I have the other primer that I really like. This is the Marshmellow primer, and this one is just very nice because it's hydrating. That is a type of primer that I really enjoy, a hydrating one, so this is mostly my preference, and it smells wonderful like marshmallows, and it's just a really good primer overall. Then I have my two eyeshadow palettes. I have the Festival one and the Ultimate Utopia. This is my favorite one just because of the color story. The packaging is pretty clumsy, not my favorite, and they are not that inexpensive. The formula is nice. They are pigmented, pretty easy to use, blendable, buildable. The shimmers are a bit messy, but if you are spraying your brush and you are using something like the glitter primer, you could solve that problem pretty easily, and they are beautiful. So I do like the eyeshadows from NYX, but they are not my absolutely top favorite formula from the drugstore. I prefer BH Cosmetics any day. Let's move into some great products. All of these are my favorite products from NYX, and you will see a pattern. Most of them are lip products because, in my opinion, NYX is absolutely the best at doing lip products. So we have here this is Milky Gloss, and I have the Salted Caramel Shake. I bought it first because of the flavor, because salted caramel is just one of my favorite flavors in general. And let me tell you, this smells incredible. The color is just 11 out of 10, and this formula is a dream. It is a more thick and pigmented gloss, and usually I don't like something pigmented in glosses. I think this is competing with the Natasha Denona My Dream Gloss. They are both incredible formulas. This is a bit thicker than that one, but I like both a lot. Then I have a better version of this lipstick, in my opinion. We have the Smooth Whip from NYX. In my opinion, this is drying down completely. These ones are just a bit more moussey. I have two shades in here and they are so nice. I really like this formula. In my opinion, they did this formula better than most brands at Sephora, and I love this one. Then we have two newer products that are just so good. First of all, we have the Fat Oil Click Stick. I have it in the shade link in my bio, and this is so great. I have one from Tarte. They have so many formulas in the click sticks, but I prefer this one over the one from Tarte that I have. I have the normal plumping one as reference, and this is just better. This, first of all, it doesn't smell weird. That one smells weird. This one is just glossy, hydrating. It has color, but it's not very pigmented, and it looks so juicy on the lips. And I have this one. This is so great. I didn't expect it. When I first read the name, I was just rolling my eyes because Dark Plump, it's a stupid name in general, but I love this packaging. First of all, it's this bright orange, and it's just working with the name. And this product is my favorite plumper. It's plumping your whole lip, not just the edges, and it is a slower plumping, so you don't feel the burn from the beginning. It's just slowly burning, but it's not that painful. For example, I don't love the Too Faced ones. They are just way too painful. This one is a bit painful, but you see results and it looks so nice. I love it, and it is from the drugstore. I just prefer this one over a million others, and I do have plumpers in my collection, and I tested a bunch of them because I do like a plumper. I love prepping my lips with a lip plumper, and this one is just so great. And then I have three products that I repurchased a bunch. I love them a lot, and they are just staple products in my collection. They are top three for a reason, and the first one is the brow pencil. This is just so easy to use. It is in the shade Taupe. It is the eyebrow powder pencil. This is my favorite one from NYX. It is more affordable, and I like that it is a sharpenable pencil, and it's just a staple. This color is always perfect for me, even if I have blonder hair or my normal color, because it is matching very well with this is my natural color. It is matching very well with that, and I just love it. On number 2, I have the Line Loud Lip Pencil. This is, in my opinion, the best lip liner out there. Sure, I love the Nabla one. That is incredible as well. The new e.l.f. one is really nice, but I still think this is the best lip pencil. I like others, high-end, mid-range, etc. But I still like this one just like this much compared to the others. It is affordable as well, and that matters as well. So I can't recommend this one enough. It's just so great. And my number 1 product, it is the Bare With Me Concealer Serum. This is just, I can use this one on its own and it looks 10 out of 10. I could use this one as foundation and concealer at the same time. I'm always taking this one while traveling because it is so easy to apply. It is a pump. I could apply it with my fingers around my face and just blend it with a sponge, apply some powder, and I have the perfect base. It looks glowy throughout the day but not greasy and is wearing great. I just love it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.